a major comeback in 2026. So mark your calendars. The first roast is gonna be in February. Major roast. Another major roast is gonna happen in February. Ganon. Siyempre ganon. Dapat nakaplano na ako 2 months in advance. Ganyan. Batiin mo ko. Try ko nga po magpatato ng Medusa. Actually, maganda yan. Muy piyok-piyok pa ako. Pwede ka po ba guest speaker sa event namin next year? Go! Padala lang kayo ng mga inquiries. Ganyan. Kung wala namang commitments, why not? Diba? Actually, I think I have a TED Talk next year. I think meron. July 7 pa yung birthday mo, balik ka dito. Na mga July 6. Ayan. Anong masasabi mo sa 500 na Noche Buena? I think it's very disrespectful to Filipinos for them to even brought up the idea na pwede ka mag Noche Buena for 500 pesos. Because the exact people who said that are the very same people na hindi gagastos ng 500 for their own Noche Buena. So, that is just like, hindi ka nga, di ba? Parang, bakit mo napaka out of touch nun? For you to even volunteer something that you wouldn't even do for yourself. Di ba? And besides, bakit kailangan mag-adjust ng Pilipino sa 500? Kayo, na binayaran ng taxes ng lahat ng mga Pilipino, obligasyon nyo na hindi kami magkaroon ng Noche Buena na halagang 500 pesos. Vinolunteer nyo pa yun. Kayo nga, magkano ang sinusweldo nyo sa pera ng taong bayan, tapos gusto nyo kami mag 500 pesos sa Noche Buena. Gawan nyo ng paraan na hindi kami magkakaroon ng Noche Buena na 500 lang. Hindi pa kasha. Exactly. It's like, why? Diba? Whoever said that, ayoko sa bigyan ng clout. Kilala ko naman pero, like, and whoever is supporting that, like, girls, it's like, everyone, please touch some grass. Nangangagat ng korap. Si Captivating Katkat. Diyos ko. Kung ako yung ngipin ni Katkat, bibigay na lang talaga kung ano-ano na yung pinapakagat niyo sa kanya. Saw you at Estancia Mall last Monday. Anong ginagawa ko sa Estancia last Monday? Ang galing niyo po mag-VO sa Showtime. Oy, grabe yun. Alam mo, dream come true yun. Mag-VO. Tsaka, biglaan, nakakatawa. Walang sabi-sabi. Ay, Miss Eva, by the way, mag-VO ko pa pala. Kaya talaga ba? May sore throat ako nung araw na yun. Buti hindi siya pumiyok. Ngayon nga, di ba, if you can hear it, parang may, medyo nasal yung boses ko. Ayun. Saan po venue ng Slay Nulog? Saka, hindi ko pa alam eh. But my team is getting ready for that. So, ayun na. Ayun lang. Sabi ni Angel ano daw mabibili sa 500? Baka daw pansit canton lang tsaka juice. Actually, I mean, kung reality lang din naman, pwede. Pero, pwede kung merienda lang ang hanap mo. Kung gusto mo lang mag-merienda, pasok ang 500. Pero Noche Buena, that's supposed to be like a celebrative meal. It should be festive. It should be like magarbo, diba? And it only happens once a year. Once a year lang ang Noche Buena. Bakit mo pa ipapatipid sa 500? Sobrang, pag nabibring up yan, nagiinit yung ulo ko. Parang, nababastusan ako para sa mga Pilipino. Na, ganun. Parang, bobo pa kayo? Parang, 500 na Noche Buena. Like, diba? Sa totoo lang, kakapal ng mukha! Ay, alam niyo, patulog na ako eh. Patulog na ako eh, patataasin niyo pa yung BP ko eh. Pero ang kapal ng mukha! Diba? Matantuloy ba yung TikTok nyo? Siyempre hindi. See sa potluck na. See you guys on December 19 for the bonding. Mama, what you eating? Well, this is some Dubai chocolates. Ang tagal na kasi. Ang dami pala niya, no? Tapos, nagpa-medical ako kahapon. Medyo mataas yung sugar ko. Dahil pasaway ako. Sayang kasi. So, kainin ko na lang. Sayang. When on TikTok with hubby, I don't know. So far, like your hair color. Thank you. Pati kapitbahay naman nagre-reklamo. Yung mga all roads na upload. Yung mga roast kasi, hindi ko alam kung ready na yung mga kung ready na kayong i-upload yun eh. Kung ready na kayong mabasa yung mga marinig yung mga nangyayari sa roast. Kasi medyo salbahe, medyo mean. Saka lagi sa roasts ko, laging merong mga yung mga nadadamay na hindi naman, wala naman sa roast. So, mahirap. Favorite song from Wicked? Siyempre sa Wicked na una, siyempre Defying Gravity. Number 1 sa balota. And then Dancing Through Life. Da-da-na-na-na. Tapos, Wizard and I. Lahat naman pala. Tapos, sa Wicked for Good, syempre number 1 ang For Good. And then second is There's No Place Like Home. Alam mo minsan pag pinapakinggan ko yung No Place Like Home sa Wicked, it's very politically charged for me. So parang minsan iiyak pa ako. Parang, di ba yung sabi niya parang, what is this place that's never loved me? A place that seems to be devolving. And di ba parang it's very para siyang Pilipinas na parang there's no place like home. And in spite of all the difficulties of loving the place that you call home, there's no place like home. Parang ganun. Thoughts a girl in the bubble. Sucks lang siya for me. Yeah, okay, cute. Sana kahit for subscription yung Rose. Again, check ko yan. Thoughts sa Illuminati daw ang season 3. Totoo yan. Fact yan. Ipadagdag niya na sa Wikipedia yan. Illuminati ang season 3. Totoo. Hindi nagsisinungaling si Hannah Beshi. No oras ka matutulog, ma? Siguro mga alas 3. Mga alas 3, ganyan. Are y'all gonna do shows in Cebu? I would love to. Well, fingers crossed. I wanna bring Playhouse Protege again this year. And naghahanap lang kami ng sponsors, inaayos na namin. But I might go to 8 different cities outside of Manila this time. So, sana meron akong ganun ulit, naghahanap ulit ako ng mga batang protege. Tapos dadalhin natin sila dito sa Manila. And then, booked and blessed sila dito under Playhouse. During the Pride season, pwede silang tumira dun sa condo ko. So, hanap muna tayo ng ganyan. Pero, I'm thinking, ang mga natin is like, sa Mindanao, I think I'll do Gensan and Davao this time. Kasi last year, CDO lang. This year, CDO lang. I might go Dumaguete, Bacolod, Cebu, kung kaya. Then siguro sa norte is Pampanga. Pampanga, Baguio. Kasi last, La Union lang. Paano naman ako nasa Perth? Well, kung hindi nyo ako kayang kunin sa Melbourne, at doon ako maghahanap ng Playhouse Protégé. Hay nako, inuubo ka naman. Well, ganun talaga, guys. So, parang, iniinom ko naman yung gamot ko, nagpa-vitamins naman ako. Ganun talaga, itong baga ko, around this time of the year, my asthma is always acting up. So, nagpa-check up naman ako kahapon. Everything is clear. So, talagang, kailangan ko lang uminom ng vitamins. Itong ubo ko, I just really need to wait it out. Kasi hindi naman ako pagod, wala nga akong show eh. Wala nga ako masyadong racket, diba? But my asthma is just the way it is. Yun. How's your experience as a judge last Sunday? Yes, I judged this, share ko lang guys, no? So, nag-judge ako ng isang drag pageant nung Sunday. And can I just say that I am like so proud to be a drag queen, a Filipino drag queen. Seeing all those amazing, I think, ilan ba sila? 6 ata na drag queens. Ano sila? They are very political. They just reminded me that drag, well, not that I need more reminding, it's just like, it's nice to look back and makita. Kasi the show is in as much as it's very colorful, it's very drag, it's very beautiful, it's very, very politically charged. Pasabog itong mga batang ito, talagang walang katakot to use their art form. Mga dugo, and talagang to express their disdain and dissent for the government that we have using their art form of drag. And kudos to the organizers for coming up with such platform. Very colorful siya and very memorable siya for me because that's how I started. Dati nung nagpa-perform pa ako sa Nectar, ganun yung mga piyesa ko, yung mga nagko-call out ng gobyerno, ganyan. Hindi naman ako tampal puka talaga before. Hindi naman ako laging ganda-ganda. Hindi naman ako laging opulence. When I was starting at Nectar, I was more famous for being more politically outspoken when it comes to my performances. And then, syempre, you go on TV, and then, you cater to what the audience wants, what your clients want. So, medyo, every now and then, lumalabas pa rin naman yung political iba. Pero, it's so nice to see the younger generations, para kami nagpasa ng torch. And parang, yes, that kind of drag is very much alive. Drag is political. So, ayun. Na-share ko lamang. Good luck. Hello po, thank you for your evangelism and mini-series on TikTok. Thank you. Pasabog silang lahat. You look so good last Sunday, ma. Thank you. Kahit na ako, laput-laput. Diba? And also, nakakatuwa kasi may isang drag queen doon, yung nanalo, si Aris. Sabi niya, she started doing drag because naka-receive daw siya ng Keep Drag Alive kit noong pandemic from Playhouse. Dati kasi, ang Playhouse, nagda-drag kami sa loob ng Zoom. Tapos, we were able to get sponsors from, dati parang, may jewelry shop parang Drake. Vaccine and Elana Cosmetics. So, we were able to give away Keep Drag Alive kit, which is drag starter kits. We were able to give that away. Tapos, dun daw nagsimula yung drag niya. And ngayon, nagpa-perform na siya professionally sa Spectrum. And it's really nice. Kasi yung mga Zoom parties ko, noong panahon ng pandemic, marami ding nagsimula ng drag there. So, sila si Trina, sila Mix, a lot of them started their drag inside my Zoom parties. Isang hi lang, matutulog na ako. Bye! Yes! Uy! Pasabog naman. Meron yung mga, ano tong 43,000 na hearts? Alam ko naman na merong mga ganyan-ganyan eh. Pero hindi ko siya alam para yan saan siya. Out muna mi. Bye! Bye! Isa mi sa volunteer. Nung ano, yeah. There's heal me in so many ways. It is my escape. Wow. Thank you. Bakit po ayaw magpa-picture? Nawala na. Sorry, di ko na nabasa. Good luck! Good night, ma. Good night! Rate Laguna Drag. Laguna Drag? Paano po kung di marunong mag-makeup? Ba't kaya mag-perform? Kailangan may marunong ka din mag-makeup. Kasi guys, drag is... Ito kasi lagi kong pang-roast kay Panjay na magaling kang magsayaw. But alam mo, if you guys watch the evangelism with Odasha also touched on this, na parang sa drag kasi, it's a visual and performance art. Dapat maganda ka rin sa mata. Dapat appealing ka rin sa mata while you are doing your lip sync and your performance. That's what sets you apart from a backup dancer when you're a drag queen. So, you have to learn both skills. Diba? Ba't kagabi nag-live? Kasi ngayon lang ako natapos mag-film. And besides, dapat may i-upload ako today, tas hindi ko na-upload. Kasi nga, nagtatrabaho pala ako. And also, ang tagal kong pumila, nagpa-medical pa ako. Ganyan. So, abangan nyo yung posting ko tomorrow. So, magpo-post ako tomorrow. Okay? Thank you so much po. Dream ko kasi maging drag. Go! Walang imposible. You have to do it. You can do it. Anong film? Well, I had to do some branded TikToks. Yan. Tsaka yung mga kung gusto nyo magbabati ng kanina, nakadrag ako, tapos nag-film ako ng isang may isang nag-request ng evangelism. So, nag-record ako ng evangelism for that person. And then, may mga nagpapabati ng Merry Christmas. At so, nag-record ako ng Merry Christmas for them. So, if you guys want some personalized greetings, you can just go to check out my personalized ELQ greetings, Kinesu. Sold out na sa OG night? Yes, we already sold it out because, well, syempre, ano yun? Sabog yun, no? Season 1 yan. Makantots mo sa Station Royale. Diyos ko, tapos na yung Station Royale, te! Ang tagal na nun. Akala ba yun? Ang tagal na ng Station Royale, te, tama na. Tanungin nyo ko kung meron bang Season 4. Tanungin nyo ako kung may Season 4 na ba ng Drag Race. Ganon. Thank you, Mom. Motivated na sa exam. Go! Hi, Queen Mother Eva. Congratulations. Saw you last night. Siyempre, ang bibilis nyo mag-type, guys. Gigi from Hong Kong? Saw you last year, Pride March. Oh. Ang bilis nyo mag-type. Opinions about females who want to do drag. Yes, do it. Do it. Alam nyo guys, kung gusto nyo mag-drag, Halloween is the best time to do it. parang you wanna test the waters. Alam mo, naniniwala ako na maraming drag queens ang pinapanganak kapag pag Halloween. Kasi dyan nagsisimula lahat eh. Kunwari parang, ay, Halloween costume lang yan. So, kunwari Halloween sila, ganyan, magpapamakeup sa friend or magbabayad ng makeup artist, ida-drag sila. Then that's how it starts. Then they'll realize na parang, oh my God, the power that you hold. Tapos, pasyal-pasyal ka in full drag. So, if you're a cis female or even a het male or a cis male who want to try drag, go ahead. Because drag is a form of artistic expression. And like music, anyone can listen to music. So, anyone can do drag. One good night. Good night! Eva, sino gusto mong mag-season 4? EDSA Extra. EDSA Extra. Pasabog. Feeling ko it's just gonna be, the Philippines will fall in love with EDSA. Kasi magaling yan siya talaga. And funny and tarantado. Tarantado. Star Doll is here. Where? Hi, sister. Hi, sister. My God. Well, guys, you know what? I need to nebulize. So, I think tinatawag na ako ng nebulizer. Oy! Umabot pa ng 50.9K, 51K hearts. So, guys, kailan pa po ubo nyo? I think this has been going on for months. Pero ganun talaga, it's asthma. So, clear naman ako on antibiotics. Clear naman ako. It's not bacterial, it's not viral. It's just the way my body is. But thank you so much for your well wishes. And time na para mag-nebulize. Yeah. But thank you guys, and we'll see you soon. Love y'all. Bye!